I've received this video by email at 7 o'clock this morning. This is groundbreaking, so I decided to share it with you. So let's begin.
The $10,000 challenge and how the program is structured. In Level 1, we'll be focusing on the following key ingredients, activating your inner success mechanism. Most people fail because they're programmed to fail. You'll learn how to literally reprogram and wire yourself for massive success internally, on autopilot. Strategic product selection, how to find great products to sell that are in high demand in the marketplace. You don't even have to create your own product, but you must know how. And where to find great ones. Strategic and unique positioning in the marketplace, how to make yourself stand out.
Don't delay, click the link below to join our team today.